Oh.
Good morning, kids out there in TV land. How are you?
Good.
Well, that's good to hear because I'm doing great. If you already don't know me, my name is Sid. And today we have our friend, Frank the Druggie.
Hi!
Say hi to Frank.
Hi, Frank.
Hi, children!
Today we're going to talk about saying no to drugs. And we brought a perfect example for us today. His name is Frank. And if you notice, he's a little crack baby. Frank, you want to tell them your story? And why they should say no to drugs?
Well, first of all, my mama, the old school like that, did all sorts of drugs. She did the I, she did the E, and most of all, the acid. That's why I have this big growth on my face.
Wow.
Now, I become dependent on those three drugs. And I often have seen her.
Frank, I must ask you,
What?
are you made out of recyclable paper?
I don't know. Here, let me look. I can't tell. Can you look?
No, I don't see anything.
God darn.
What about me?
Wait. It's right there. You're made out of recyclable paper.
Where?
On your forehead.
On my forehead?
Yeah.
Who the hell put it there?
I don't know.
Man, how come none of you guys told me I had something on my forehead?
That looks rather charming.
Oh, you're so sweet, Frank.
Oh, thank you, Sid.
May I give you a kiss?
Sure.
Well, I think we should get high.
Get high. What you talking about last night? You